Alright, you are welcome to Seat of Wisdom Tutor TV. My name is Differential. So today we are looking at calculus, and as you all know that calculus is dealing majorly on two things: differentiation and integration. So today we are looking at topics under differentiation. Let me say use of topic. We are looking at how we can get our first derivative from first principle, how we can solve and arrive at correct answer, only the correct answer from first principle. So we have two examples on the board. We have y equal to x squared with an increment of the x in x and y, and then by taking an increment dx in x and the y in y, find the derivative of y equal to 1 minus 3x minus 2x squared. So in solving by first principle, there are two things that we get to do. There are 4 steps that we must know, that we must register at the back of our mind, that so far I'm solving from first principle, there is a need for me to know that the first thing is what? To increase x by dx and y by dy, and also to take y to the other side and cancel out where necessary. And the third step is to divide all through by dx. And the last but not the least is to do what? Is to take limit function of dx to be equal to 0. Then we arrive at only correct answer at the end of it all. So let's look at what we can do. So the first thing we have is y equal to x squared. So y equal to x squared, what we need to have now is that increase y by dx, y plus dy equal to x plus dx into bracket. That is just power 2. So the next thing is just let's expand this. We have x plus dy dx and then x plus dx. So x times x, that is x squared, x times plus x dx plus x dx plus dx squared. So we now have x squared plus 2x dx plus dx squared. So on getting to this place, we now replace this with this. So we now have y plus dy equal to x squared plus 2x dx plus dx squared. So this is what the first thing we have to do. So the second step is to move this particular y to the other side. So we now have dy equal to x squared plus 2x dx plus dx squared. So this y coming here minus y. So the given value of y, we now replace it. So we now have dy equal to x squared plus 2x dx plus dx squared minus the value of y is what? X squared. So where necessary, let's cancel out. This is what? Plus x squared. This is what? Minus x squared. They will cancel out. So we are left with dy 2x dx equal to 2x dx plus dx squared. After this, we are going to do to apply the third step, which says divide all through by what? By dx. So we have dy upon dx equal to 2x dx upon dx plus dx squared over dx. So dx cancel out, dx cancel out. So we are left with dy dx equal to 2x plus dx. 2x plus dx. So the next thing is that is the last step, to take the limit function of the x to be equal to 0. So taking lim of dx to what? 0, that is dy dx, the lim dx is 0 equal to 2x plus 0. Therefore, dy dx equal to 2x. That is the final answer. So let's look at example number 2 and we solve. Number 2 says we have y equal to my 1 minus 3x minus 2x squared. Y equal to 1 minus 3x minus 2x squared. So first step, increase y by dy increase x by dx. So we have y plus dy equal to 1 minus 3 open bracket x plus dx close the bracket minus 2 also open bracket s plus ds into square because of the power into square. So this one need expansion. It needs to be expanded. So we have y plus dy equal to 1 minus 3, let me see this, s plus ds minus 2. So by the time we expand this, is what we do in the first example. We are going to have what? X squared plus 2s ds plus 2s ds plus dx squared. That is the expansion. That is the answer for the expansion. So let's open the bracket. So y plus dy equal to 1 minus 3 times x. We have what? Minus 3x minus 3x. Then minus times plus minus 3 dx. Then this also minus 2x squared minus times plus minus 2 times 2, that is minus 4s ds plus minus times plus minus 2 dx squared. So the next thing for us to do is to do what? To bring y to this place. That is the step number 2. So we have dy equal to 1 minus 3x minus 3 dx minus 2s squared minus 4s ds minus 2 dx squared minus this y will change to minus, that is minus y. So after we have minus y, the next thing to do is to do what? To take the given value of our y to the other side, which is what? This. So we have dy equal to 1 minus 3x minus 3 dx minus 2x squared minus 4x dx minus 2 dx minus, let me write it down, minus this particular minus open bracket 1 minus 3x minus 2x squared. The reason why I open minus brackets for this one is that by the time we use this minus outside to open the bracket, we are going to have dy equal to 1 minus 3x minus 3 dx minus 2x squared minus 4x dx minus 2 dx. Then minus times y is minus 1. Minus times minus is what is plus 3x plus 2x squared. So from here now, we can cancel out where necessary. We have plus 2x here, we have minus 2x here. This one we cancel. Let me use blue marker so we can know where to note. This one cancel out this. So here also we have plus 3s, we have minus 3s. It will cancel out. Here we have 1, we have minus 1. It will cancel out. So we are now left with what? Dy equal to minus 3 dx minus 4s dx and then minus 2 dx. That's all. So this place now we now go to the third step. Third step is that divide all through by what? By dx. Divide all through is different from divide both sides. So we have dx, 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 and then dx. So dx, cancel dx here. Dx, oh, we have 1 dx square here. 4s dx times, okay, this place minus 2 dx. Also close to have, okay, minus 2 dx square here. This is square. I've omitted it. So dx cancel this. So dx will cancel 1. So we mean what? Sorry. We have s squared. So dx will cancel square. You mean what? Minus 2 dx. So from here we have dy dx equal to minus 3 minus 4x minus 2 dx. So the last step where to arrive at the last time is to take limit of dx to what? 0. So equal to minus 3 minus 4s minus 2 in bracket of what? 0. So our final answer, dy dx equal to minus 3 minus 4s minus 2 times 0 will give us 0. So this is our final answer. It is as simple as that. So let me give you one logic. In case you find yourself in the exam or in the exam and you have been solving, I want to know if you are right or wrong. You will know from here. You can know from here if what you are solving, you are still on this way or you have missed the track. If the given y is able to cancel out everything, it means you are still on the way, you are correct. But if the given y given to you, you are unable to cancel out from the equation you have start from, that means that you are wrong. So let's now assume that here you didn't take note that you are wrong from here. So by the time you arrive at your final answer, minus 3 minus 4, you know there are still some logic that you can use to solve. You know this 1 is a constant, and in differentiation, a constant is what? Is equal to 0. So when you know that this one is 0, you know this 3s that is here, you can say a 3s, s is having 1 minus 1, that is what? 0 minus 2. Now this power will come in to multiply, that is times 2x, then decrease by 1. So by that way, 1 minus 1, that is 0. Any number alphabet for 0 is what? Is 1. And you have 3 times 1 minus this one now. Okay, coming here now we have what? 3 times minus 1 like that. Then this one minus 2 times 2, that is 4. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's for our head. So by that time you now have what? Minus 3 minus 4s. So if you do like this and the answer you get here is equal to this piece, it means that what? You arrive at the right answer. But after you have go with this short form and the answer you get is not equal to this, it means that what you have solved is not correct. So thanks for watching Seat of Wisdom Tutor TV. So don't forget to comment, like and share. See you next class.